We've now travelled across the Irish Sea to the Isle of Man, famous for its Victorian railways, both steam and electric. The island has a lot to offer for holiday makers: a beautiful coastline, secluded glens and mountain scenery. The clean sandy beaches, sparkling streams and the air are all unpolluted. If you want excitement, Douglas has nightlife and a casino, and all the usual trappings of a seaside holiday resort. The imposing railway station is your first encounter with one of the best narrow-gauge railways in Britain, and certainly the most original. All the steam locomotives were built for it by Bear and Peacock of Manchester. The rolling stock is also original, and a reminder of the past as you see them steam through the Manx countryside. There are usually 3 or 4 locomotives in running order, and all are of a similar design, and are ideal for the line which has many gradients. They are painted red, green and blue. Lock was used in 1874 to open Port Erin line. The trains are not just enjoyable to travel in, but are used as serious transport by holiday visitors. There are stations at Port Soderick, Ballasalla, Castletown, Port St Mary and Port Erin, and there are several request halts. The line is a distance of 15 3/8 miles, and there's a small railway museum at Port Erin. Trains pass at Ballasalla station, where you can stop to visit Rushen Abbey and Silverdale. Castletown station is only 10 minutes' walk from the town centre and Castle Rushen, once the home of the Viking kings of Man. The castle is open most days and is worth a visit. Castletown was once the capital of the island.